Hello. Today I have a 2016 Kia Cadenza, 3.3 liter engine. I want to show you where is the oxygen sensor location. I'm doing bank 1, sensor 1, and this is the oxygen sensor, by the way, and this is the board number someone needed, 25207, and it's NTK. So bank 1, sensor 1, it would be the one by the firewall, the brown plug right here. I just disconnect it, and if you follow this wire, it would be the one back here on top. Just to break it off. This is the bank 1, sensor 1. I just break it off with this tool. I like this stretch it because you can make it a little bit longer, so that gives you a little bit torque when you're trying to break it off. So bank 1, sensor 1, the one on top. Bank 1, sensor 2 would be the blue one next to it. If you follow this wire, that will take you, I don't know if you can see it, it's down here. If you follow this wire, this connector, if you follow this wire, it will take you to bank 1, sensor 2. And the one in the front by the radiator is bank 2, sensor 1. And bank 2, sensor 2 would be in the bottom one. That'll be it. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.